Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create your own Microsoft Azure account from scratch, step by step. Okay, and if you're new to cloud computing or just getting started with Azure for learning or for projects, and this video is for you. So, this video I'll walk you through how to sign up, activate your free account, and explore the free credits Microsoft gives you to get started. Okay, and by the end of this video, you'll have your Azure account ready to use and be all set to start building your first cloud resources. So let's get started. Let's go and create the free Azure account. I'll take you step by step. Okay, go to Google, type Azure portal, and click the link Microsoft Azure portal. Then on the top right corner, click get started with Azure. Now click try Azure for free. It'll ask you to sign in. Since we don't have an account, we'll click create one. It asks for the email address. My email address is ask you to verify it. One 74374. Just give your date of birth or click next. We'll skip for now. Azure free account registration. We're using it for our personal use. Yeah, Azure learning, mail ID. Phone. Click next. So in this it just asks your basic details such as like contact number, mail ID, first name, address, city, state. That's it, not much. And at the end you need to give your details of your credit card, but you won't be charged for it. Okay, that is, Microsoft will ask your card details just for security purpose. You won't be charged. I think you will be charged for 2 rupees, and even the 2 rupees will be credited back to your account. Okay, so and you'll get a $200 free credit for the first 30 days, and you can use your free account, and once the free credits get exhausted, your account automatically will be disabled. Then if you want to enable it, you need to change your subscription to pay as you go pricing. Okay, so that's what it's mentioned here. Okay, so you won't be charged unless you move to pay as you go pricing. Okay, so now we have to enter our card details. Once you signed up, it might ask you to use your Microsoft Authenticator app to sign in. I think it's asking that, so let's wait. It says we're creating your account, redirecting, working. No, it's opening. So okay, welcome to Microsoft. Let's get started. You can skip this, you don't have to enter this all. So you can even skip the tour. Okay, now your homepage has been, your homepage is, this is your Microsoft Azure homepage. Okay, so you can create a resource group. You can search for resources, storage account, SQL databases. No? This is your Microsoft Azure homepage. Okay, so let's bookmark it. So you'll get a free credit of $200. Once you're done, once you have exhausted it, your account automatically will get disabled. You won't be charged anything extra. If you want to use post exhausting your free credit, you can upgrade yourself to pay as you go pricing subscription to use the same Azure services. Okay, so all right, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I'll be uploading more valuable content soon, so stay tuned and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.